Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Update your Garmin watch firmware and the Garmin Connect mobile app so the newest music integrations are available. Once done, sign into YouTube Music on your phone and confirm you have an active subscription if required. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the phone and Wi-Fi is enabled on the watch, then pair the watch with your phone in Garmin Connect. These steps unlock the store and syncing features you'll use next. Next, install and link the YouTube Music app through Garmin Connect's Connect IQ store. Open Garmin Connect Mobile, navigate to More and the Connect IQ store, then locate YouTube Music and install it to your watch. After installation, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize your YouTube Music account. This usually opens a login or authorization flow on your phone. Once authorized, ensure the watch is on Wi-Fi so it can retrieve your playlist library. Finally, pick the playlists or albums you want and choose Download to Device so they're saved for offline playback. Use Bluetooth headphones paired to the watch and control music directly from the watch's media controls during workouts. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both watch and phone, then reauthorize the YouTube Music app in Garmin Connect, and confirm the watch is connected to the correct Wi-Fi and has enough storage. These steps resolve most sync and playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.